Hi to the Skin Games and Skin Games judges. I'm Brenda Hogsett. This is week 6 of my open category hair restoration for the Skin Games. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to perform a treatment for week 5 on my husband Jesse as he was really sick last week, and getting him better by the Christmas holiday was super important. However, he did complete his daily home care and assured me that he did his home care and has been for all these weeks. For this week, week 6, I performed my hair restoration protocol along with Procell therapies hair restoration protocol. I began our treatment with high frequency at level 6 using neon orange gas, which enhances blood circulation in the scalp, improving oxygen and nutrient delivery to the hair follicles. The neon orange gas emits a specific wavelength of light that enhances scalp stimulation, leading to increased blood flow, improved scalp health, and the potential for thicker hair. Next, I applied 50% alcohol to disinfect the scalp for preparation of our microchanneling treatment. Next, I performed hydrodermabrasion. Hydrodermabrasion is a wet microdermabrasion to simultaneously exfoliate dead skin cells, extract impurities from the follicles and pores, and infuses nutrient-rich serum into the skin. I used a 60 grit tip paired with an exfoliation solution with lactic acid for exfoliating and moisturizing, rosemary leaf extract for calming, and kelp for soothing. I use the Hydro machine setting at a PSI of 12 for suction for the scalp, which on the face I typically use 8 to 10 PSI, but for the scalp I use 12 to 15 PSI, pounds per square inch, for a better suction to remove dead skin cells and any impurities from the scalp and the follicles. Pairing the solution with a 60 grit tip and PSI of 12 will deeply exfoliate the scalp, removing dead skin cells and prepare it for the microchanneling. Next, I perform Procell therapies microchanneling. Microchanneling uses tiny tips to create thousands of tiny channels in the scalp to stimulate hair growth. Using a 0.50 millimeter precision tip and Procell therapies hair system serum with ingredients, growth factors, and stem cells with cytokines to prevent further hair loss, to activate dormant follicles and nourishing follicles in the scalp. First, I applied the hair system serum onto the scalp, then microchanneled onto the scalp, and then applied serum to the scalp for microchanneling. Applying the serum after microchanneling significantly enhances the treatment's effectiveness by delivering the concentrated active ingredients directly into the newly created microchannels, promoting skin rejuvenation and healing. Last, I set my model under the Lumera 1800R red light panel for 5 minutes. This red light panel utilizes 660 nanometers of wavelength and delivering 6,000 joules of energy. This specific light therapy aids in product absorption and promotes cellular regeneration in the scalp. For Jesse's home care, he is continuing to use the DHT blocker shampoo, the DHT blocker supplements 2 daily, 30 SPF scalp sunscreen to be applied in the morning to protect the scalp. Procell therapies home hair care serum with WNT1, which is an ingredient to stop further hair loss and shedding, with stem cells and growth factors to awaken dormant follicles and nourishing both the follicle and the hair itself. Thank you for joining me for week 6 of the open hair restoration category in the Skin Games. Can't wait to see you out week 7. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to the Skin Games and Skin Games judges. Bye!